Hi, I'm Jill Stokold with The Advocate. I'm excited to be joined today by Elizabeth Thomas. You are a recruiter at East Baton Rouge Public Schools and specifically for the Magnet program.
I am.
Awesome. Now, how long have you been there?
This is my third year at the Magnet office, and I have been in EBR Schools for 12 years now.
Great. So you're an old pro.
Yeah.
All right. So first thing, what are the biggest advantages of a Magnet program education for a student?
So Magnet programs are themed-based programs. So to me, the biggest advantage for that would be allowing students to have hands-on opportunities with schools that have thematic programming woven into the curriculum that deals with things that they're interested in. They might be interested in the arts. They could be interested in the medical career. They could be interested in broadcasting. We even have a museum-themed school.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
Oh, where is the museum theme school?
That one is McKinley Elementary, and they had their first gallery this year. So we are so excited that we have partnerships with community partners that help reinforce those themes, and it's just a great opportunity. We find that when students love what they do every day, they excel across the board.
Right. I love that. And getting them hooked and interested in like running with that theme is perfect.
Absolutely.
Okay, so what makes the EBR Magnet programs a great option for our local students?
It is a great option for our local students because it's free. It's part of EBR Schools. We are a public school system. So this is an opportunity that anybody can take advantage of, no matter where you live in Baton Rouge. As long as you are zoned for EBR Schools, you can apply.
Okay. So speaking of applying, how does the application process work? And what are the most important things to keep in mind to ensure a successful application?
So for me, my best advice for parents who are considering magnet schools is take advantage of those websites. Look at the information that they have. Check out their showcase events. Go tour the schools. A lot of them offer school tours. We actually have a program called Student Ambassadors where the students give tours on site. And I love that because it's an opportunity to see the school through their eyes. So first step is preparation, deciding which program it is that you want to look at. Go and look at it. Second step, you just go to ebrmagnet.org and submit your application. You can do the entire thing from start to finish online. You can even sign it, submit whatever required documents are necessary online.
You've made it simple and easy, and I love the student ambassador aspect of it. Again, like you said, kind of peer-to-peer, getting the real information, if you will, about the school and the program. Okay, so who is eligible to apply for EBR Magnet programs?
So for some of our programs, we do have academic requirements, and all of those are listed on our website at ebrmagnet.org. For those, you have to have a 2.5 GPA, and that's cumulative for the past 2 years, and you have to have basic or above on the LEAP test. We also have several programs that don't have academic requirements. So if you're interested in learning more about those or trying to figure out what those requirements are, you can visit our website or you can give us a call at 922-5443. And we'd be happy to help you.
That's great. So the resource not only is you, but the website and then the other people that you work with.
Yep.
Okay, so what are some of the biggest accomplishments of the students and faculty in the EBR Magnet programs that are part of the public school system?
Oh my goodness. There are so many. Our schools are so well-rounded in the things that they participate in and the opportunities that they take part in. We actually had 1 or 2 of our schools go to the World Championship for VEX Robotics. One for the first time ever was Woodlawn High. And you have to be invited to that. You can't just apply and come. It's the World Championship. We had several schools participate in that. Mayfair Lab just got the Distinguished Blue Ribbon Award. We have several magnet schools of distinction and excellence in certified magnet programs. And we also encourage our schools to go out for awards or try for awards that are relevant to their theme. Baton Rouge High has a wonderful broadcast or radio station on campus. They compete every year and they win some awards in that. So it's not just academic based. We have several academic based awards and opportunities that they participate in, but we also have various thematic things as well. Arts. We have some arts exemplary schools in Baton Rouge as part of the Art Schools Network. So we encourage them to go out and do everything that they can because these are real world opportunities for them.
Across the parish, how many total magnet schools are there?
We have 30 programs currently.
Wow. And, I was not familiar, but, once you said Mayfair and then the McKinley Elementary, so it starts in elementary all the way up through high school.
It surely does.
Great. So, Elizabeth, it's been an absolute pleasure. Is there anything that I haven't asked you that you want our viewers to know about the East Baton Rouge Parish Public School System?
There are hidden gems all over the parish. Every day I get the privilege and the honor of going to see new programs and see the amazing things that they're doing. And they're open for parents to come and see. If you schedule a tour or if you just pop into some of these schools and ask when a great opportunity would be to see some of these things in action. These schools have everything from medical to arts to digital broadcasting, engineering and pre-law. There's a theme for every single child and interest that anybody might have that they could take part in.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. And you've given me and our viewers a wealth of information about an excellent opportunity, like you said, that's free for our students here in
Absolutely.
East Baton Rouge Parish.